up everyone, it's Molly and today is Florida day 2 and yeah, we just woke up and we're about to eat breakfast. Fit of the day. We're walking to Wings. This view. This is what Morgan's gonna get and this is what I'm gonna get. It's like the same design. Hers is a zip up and mine is a regular and they're different colors. We got the stuff. Beach fit day 2 with my new thing.
Maybe it's in the water.
My new t-shirt.
It's mine, which I'm taking for.
We're going on adventures, get some fruit. And we took a way that we don't usually take. Time to go up. Way over there. Got the peaches. Well, nectarine and a peach. Nothing like eating goldfish and laying in the sun. This is the fit of the night. We got some Converse, black dress, and my new necklace I got. What kind of car is that over there? We are on our way to dinner. Kayla's first plate, my first plate, and Morgan's first plate. My second plate, and Morgan's second plate. My third plate, and Morgan's third plate. Fourth plate, dessert time, and I don't even know what Kayla plate on. My fifth round is a bowl of ice cream. It's cookies and cream and chocolate and a brownie. Kayla's is this. It looks really bad, but mine is this. Grandpa's is this. Grandpa. This is Morgan's. Grandma just told the waiter I was 11, even though I'm 17. Aftermath. Kayla ran away. She got so full. We're going for a walk. Can't miss the sunrise. What a view. You can't really see me, but we are, oh my gosh, I can't look at
Oh, that's scary.
my phone is like, if it dropped, it died. Yeah, before, I'm just gonna get away from the edge, but we're just chilling up here. You can't really see me, but yeah, just chilling. Here, okay, unpopular opinion, maybe this tree is just not it. Like it's just ruining the vibe.